fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was drunk, you showed open.
Well, I am out here in the Jeep and doing a quick little overnighter. It's been a while since I posted videos, so I thought I'd do a quick little update. One, yes, I need a haircut badly. Just been so busy with work, haven't had a chance to do it. But let's see, what was my last video? The Ozarks trip, right? Well, since then I have done a few trips. I have done a few things. Not a lot of it hit the YouTube world though, because a lot of my group trips and stuff, it's just easier not to bug everyone and try to bog everyone down filming. And so I do pictures and stuff, so if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you've seen all that. But just to kind of recap what I've been up to, we did a El Reno meetup at the El Reno Lake. That was fun. It started to get hot on that one though, and that's kind of also why you've seen my stuff slow down, because it's summer here in Oklahoma and it's hot. After that, went out and did a day where we'd explored some new lakes, some back roads, just kind of exploring a new area. Me and a few people did. I've done some weekends just working on the Jeep and a few projects at home. And then we did a few little backyard camp outs while I was working on other projects around the house and stuff, just trying to make the most of those weekends. Did a Fort Cobb Lake meetup.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
That was a great time, but it was hot. We got lucky and it was windy, and had a good breeze, but that was a hot camp out. I went and did a OKC Overland meetup, hung out with a few people. That was a lot of fun. It was good seeing everyone, and a lot of us are kind of in the same boat. It's so hot, we're taking a break. And I know for some people, they're like, yeah, I camp all the time. I just don't like the heat. I'm going to admit it. I don't do well in the heat. The winter, I can survive. Summer, it's hot. But yeah, other than a few little trips like that, I haven't done a lot, which is why I wanted to get out today and at least make a little bit of a video and kind of catch you up to what's going on, where things are. Yep, I'm still around, just haven't been doing as much content because it's hot. I have been planning a lot for the fall, hopefully get back busy with that. But like everything, you know, life happens. Work slowed down for me for a little bit. I didn't have money to go out and do things, so you know, a lot of the close to home trips happened, and then I saved my money and went on the group trips so I could still keep doing that versus just all the little solo trips. You know, I had big plans to do a lot this spring, and life happens, and that's okay. Making the best of it, still getting out. But today it is July 5th, and a cold front came through unexpectedly. By cold, I mean it was like 85 today instead of 110. So I figured I'd get out, do some rooftop tent camping while the weather's nice. Overall, good day to get out. Down here at Redrock Canyon, as you can tell by now, it's close to home. And it's got a lot of good spots like this one here for rigs like mine. You know, you can just pull up and camp. A lot of the campgrounds around, like the state parks and stuff here in Oklahoma, a lot of the tent camping is fenced off. It's kind of a carry your stuff in spot. And here at Redrock, we still have some options. So I come to Redrock a lot. And actually, there's quite a few good campsites here that I do really enjoy. At various times of the year, I'll hit up different ones. And actually, next weekend, and hopefully the next video you see, I'm doing a meetup out here. I'll try to get this edited and posted this weekend, so if not, this may be after the fact, so it may not matter to you, but the weekend of July 12th, 13th, 14th, I think. Gonna come down here to Redrock, do a little overnight camp, hit up some back roads in the area, but I'm camping with electric. I'm dragging my pop-up camper, gonna have AC, and just try to make the best of it. Because it's hot, it's supposed to be like 100 degrees or more. But still trying to get out, have some fun, even though it's summertime. But like I said, I'm ready for fall. I've got some trips planned. I'm hoping to do some bigger trips this fall, but we'll see how life handles, you know, things. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. But it is a Friday night, so not a lot of people down here at Redrock. I imagine there's more rolling in as the night goes on for the weekend. You can hear some people playing at the park around and just having a good time. But it's definitely nice to get out. It's been a while. I know a lot of you that follow the channel and stuff have kind of reached out and said, hey, are we doing a November meetup in Redrock again? At this point, it's looking like we are. I'll know more as it gets closer, hopefully get an event date and stuff scheduled and post up. But there are a lot of people interested in it. Last year was a good time. We didn't do one in April because they were redoing the area that we typically do, a little deal up in there. But I'm hoping to do another event this fall and, you know, do more classes this year and some group rides and kind of plan that out a little bit. So I'm looking for volunteers that want to step up, help teach some classes or lead some of the group rides around here, exploring some back roads. Maybe go down to the river, you know, different things around here that could be possibly done. But if not, if it doesn't turn into a big fancy event, I think most of us just enjoy getting together and camping and hanging out. A lot of the people that have done the first few just keep coming back every year. I'd like to do some t-shirts and some different things this year, so we'll just kind of see what's happening there. But let me know what you think in the comments. You know, do you want to have another one? Do you want to come again? I think it's been a lot of fun the last few years. I know Western Oklahoma is not an epic spot for people to come. I understand that. I'm just trying to organize an event somewhere I know where we can do it and get some people together and, you know, hang out, talk about gear, plan some trips. One of my favorite thing of doing trips like that, or events like that, I should say, is seeing people meet up and then watching them later on go out with some of those friends they meet and go on bigger trips. You know, there's a lot of people that I see on their Instagram and stuff later, people they had met out here at one of my events, and then they're going out together and going on bigger trips to Colorado and different places and stuff. And I think that's cool. I think that's why I keep doing the events, is to network people and, you know, keep connecting. And that's why I support, you know, things like the OKC Overland meetups, you know, the Rigs and Coffee style things. I know not everyone wants to go meet in a parking lot and hang out. I don't want to go meet in a parking lot and hang out. But that's the place to go to meet up with these people and stay communicated, you know, to walk around and talk and say, hey, where are you going next? What's your plans? What are you changing on your rig? You know, it's a way to stay in touch, and that way you can go out and do the more epic trips together and do more things fun like that. Because as a group, honestly, it's hard to plan trips. It's hard to plan the camping and the big logistics and stuff, but 3 or 4 rigs, it's way easier and way better. This year, this fall, I'd like to do some bigger trips, multi-day trips kind of thing, take advantage of some holidays. I am going to rendezvous in the Ozarks as I do every year, and we'll probably go down the week before like I usually do, explore around, and then end up at the event. I've really been wanting to inch up into Kansas this year. I was supposed to do that this spring. That just didn't happen, but I'm hoping to do that. As well as here in Oklahoma. You know, I posted the other day, and I'll be sure and put it down in the link on this video as well, a GPX file and a Gaia link to some camp spots and camp options in Oklahoma. I started looking around and, you know, marking state parks and WMAs, and then got into city lakes and city campgrounds and different things that I found that I think would interest us overlanders. And I realized there's a lot of Oklahoma I haven't explored. So just trying to get out and explore more of that and see what's around, and maybe I'll find other places that would be good to have group events and group stuff as well. But until I've been somewhere, I don't want to say, hey, let's go meet here, because I don't know what's there, you know. But just keep exploring, and, you know, as time and money allows, do what I can. But anyways, it's starting to get dark. I know it's lighter on camera than it really is. It's like 8:30 now. I'll find some food. I've got something very simple planned for supper tonight. But get some food cooking up and go from there.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting, then came you. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces of yesteryear's life, in over my head, trying to figure out. I was going through changes, where to begin, when a mountain moving revelation came marching in. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. Been a long time, baby. Had an all-time low. Stick with me, maybe.
first dive. Landed on Cotton Canyon in your arms and survived. I'm still a disaster, rock bottom and below. I'm yours for the asking. Where you go, I go. I thought I was what I've been told. I thought I was.
Well, good morning everyone. It's the next day. As most of my videos, things don't go 100% to plan. Didn't cook any supper last night. Didn't cook any breakfast this morning. Just had a few snacks and called it good. I was lazy. But overall, it's a good trip. The weather was nice last night. Didn't even need a fan or anything. That was crazy. However, this morning, as soon as that sun popped up, it reminded me it's summer. It started heating up quick. It's already like 90 degrees now. It's only 10 o'clock. Thanks for joining me on this one. And as always, there's still another mile left to explore. I'll see you on the trail.